Hey, Mom. What did we eat today? You gotta say hello to the camera.
She didn't know what we got.
You gotta say. Yeah.
You got to say, not me.
No, you ate it.
No, I didn't.
You better say it.
No, you.
He had it. He ate it.
Why is I taking it?
Long story. So, what did you have? Come, talk to the camera. What did you have?
No, you.
No, I did not eat. He ate it.
Why is it ringing?
Because I rang him again. So you were being a big bat.
Hi to our big bat. Hey, big bat.
Open the door. Open the door.
Hi, Roselle.
Hi, baby.